Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create website pop-ups in GoHighLevel. This is a helpful feature when you want to get a visitor's attention without changing the full design of your website page. Pop-ups are a simple way to capture leads, promote offers, or highlight important messages without redesigning your entire page. You can use them for things like newsletter signups, discount offers, appointment reminders, free guide downloads, limited time announcements, or important updates you want visitors to notice right away. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can set one up quickly and confidently. By the end, you'll understand how to create the pop-up, add a starter layout, and begin customizing it for your website goal. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and opening your main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Sites. This brings you to the area where all your site assets are organized. Think of this section as the main workspace for managing your websites, pages, funnels, and related design assets. Next, select Websites. You'll see the list of sites available to you. Find the website where you want to add a pop-up. If you have several websites in your account, use the site name to make sure you're working on the correct one before opening it. If you manage multiple brands or locations, double-check you're choosing the correct site so the pop-up appears in the right place. This is especially important for agencies or businesses with multiple client accounts, because a pop-up placed on the wrong website could confuse visitors or promote the wrong offer. Once you spot it, click the website to open its workspace. This is where you'll be able to access the pages connected to that specific website and make design changes inside the builder. Inside the website workspace, go to the Pages section. Pop-ups are added through the Page Builder, so choose the specific page you want to show your pop-up on. Many people start with the home page or a key landing page. You can also add a pop-up to a service page, booking page, sales page, or any page where you want visitors to take a specific action. Click Edit to open that page in the drag and drop builder. This is where you'll be able to see the page layout and access the tools needed to create and customize the pop-up. At the top left of the builder, locate the pop-up settings icon and click it. This opens the pop-up tools for the page you're editing. This area controls the pop-ups connected to that specific page, so you can create, manage, and adjust them from one place. Now click Create New Pop-up. You're setting up a new pop-up canvas that you can design within the builder. This canvas works like a mini section that appears above your page content, so you can design it with a focused message and call to action. When prompted, click Add to place the new pop-up into your page's pop-up list, so it's ready to customize. Once it's added, you can start building the layout, changing the text, and shaping the pop-up around your campaign or message. Next, use Quick Add to jumpstart the design. Quick Add provides common building blocks and layouts, so you don't have to start from scratch. This is a great time saver, especially if you want a clean structure already prepared for you. Choose the option that best matches your goal. For example, a simple layout with a headline, short description, and a call to action button, or a structure that accommodates a form if you plan to collect contact details. For lead generation, a form layout works well. For an announcement or promotion, a headline and button layout may be enough. After you've browsed the options, make your selection here to load it into the pop-up editor. Once the layout appears, you can treat it like a starting point and adjust it to match your offer, audience, and brand style. From here, fine-tune text, colors, spacing, and imagery so everything is on brand and easy to read. Keep your message concise, make the call to action clear, and ensure the close button is easy to see. A good pop-up should be direct, not overwhelming. For example, instead of using a long paragraph, use a strong headline, one short benefit, and a clear button like Book Now, Get the Free Guide, or Claim the Offer. If you expect mobile traffic, adjust font sizes and spacing so the pop-up is comfortable on small screens. Many visitors will view your website from a phone, so make sure the pop-up does not cover too much of the screen or make the close button difficult to tap. It's also a good idea to preview the page to confirm the pop-up looks the way you want before moving on. Check the desktop and mobile views. Make sure the text is readable, the form fields are easy to use, and the call to action button is clear. And that's it. You've created a website pop-up and GoHighLevel by navigating to sites, opening your website's pages, editing the page, launching the pop-up settings, creating a new pop-up, adding it, and selecting a starter layout through Quick Add. From there, you can customize the pop-up for your campaign, offer, or lead capture goal. Follow these same steps for any additional pages where you want a pop-up. Just remember to keep each pop-up relevant to the page it's on, so visitors see a message that matches what they're already looking for.